In this tutorial, I'll show you how to combine information from multiple cells in Smartsheet. This is useful when you want to join things like first names, last names, project names, or IDs into a single cell. Start by clicking the cell where you want the combined result to appear. Type an equal sign to begin a formula, then click the first cell you want to combine, add a plus sign, and click the second cell. Press enter and Smartsheet will combine the values from both cells into one result. For example, if one cell contains a first name and another contains a last name, you can combine them into a full name. If you want a space between the values, add a space inside quotation marks between the cell references. This keeps the result neat and easy to read instead of running the words together. You can also combine 3 or more cells by continuing to add additional cell references to the formula. This is useful for creating full names, project labels, addresses, or custom identifiers. If your result doesn't look right, double check that all cell references are correct and that any spaces or text separators are placed inside quotation marks. That's how to concatenate in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.